that September wildfire. We started our class with the 4 points of an isolation being 1, 2, 3, and 4. When we're here, we have an outside grip and we can fold it to an inside grip. So we played with folding in different ways. We played with folding our angles and pushing, getting more fluid with it. We played with flipping it over our heads, down. We played with flipping it over ourselves in interesting ways. We played with the around the back, a handspin, back isolation. We also got into some mini work when we played with hinges, typically seen with fans, rotating them in interesting ways, folding up and over, folding around, even folding it onto your body. And that was our Hinges class. Thanks, guys.